Hello Jiwaku! In this video, we'll discuss machine learning workflow. But first, let's remember the previous video's materials regarding the explanations about machine learning. Machine learning is the ability of machine to adapt to new circumstances and to detect and extrapolate patterns. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In this video, we will learn about the general workflow of machine learning. Come on, let's get started with our main topics. There are four stages of machine learning workflow: data gathering, data preprocessing, researching the model that will be the best for the type of data, include training and testing model, and model evaluation. But first, let's start from the basics. What is machine learning model? The machine learning model is a file that has been trained to recognize certain types of pattern. It is nothing but a piece of code. An engineer or a data scientist make it smart through training with data. The first stage is getting data. The process of gathering data depends on the type of project that we want to make it. In evaluating injections well, we use historical data. The data set is collected from a flow meter sensor in the injections wellhead, but the collected data cannot be used directly for performing the analysis process, as there might be a lot of missing data, extremely large values, unorganized data, or noisy data. Therefore, data preparation is needed to solve these problems. The second stage is data preprocessing. It is the most important step that helps in building machine learning models more accurately. Data preprocessing is a process of cleaning the raw data. It means the data is collected in the real world and is converted to a clean data set. Whenever the data is gathered from a various resource, it is collected in a raw data, and this data is not visible for the analysis. Therefore, specific steps are executed to convert the data into a clean data set. This part of the process is called data preprocessing. Why do we need it? As we know that the data processing is a process of cleaning the raw data into a clean data so that it can be used to train the models. So we definitely need a data preprocessing to achieve a good from the applied model in machine learning project. Let's learn how to handle the types of messy data. For the missing data, it can be handled by ignoring the missing values, excluding any records containing missing values, replacing missing values with the mean, or inferring missing values from the existing values. For noisy data, it can be handled by binning method, regressions, and clustering. The third stage is researching the model that will be the best for the type of data. Our main goal is to train the best performing model possible using the pre-processed data. So we need to train and test several machine learning algorithms on the pre-processed data. Then research which model is the best for this problem. We initially split the model into two parts: training dataset and testing dataset. The training set is the material used in a training process in which the computer learns how to process information and get the hidden pattern. After the machine learning has done the training process, the model is applied to a testing dataset. A testing dataset is a set of unseen data used only to assess the performance of the model. The model were evaluated by their mean absolute error, mean square error, and R-square functions. Then after several algorithms has been applied, the next step is to a model evaluations. This step is to find the best model representing our data and how well the chosen model will work in the future. To improve the model performance, we might tune the hyperparameter of the model. To summarize explanation, here is the flowchart from the machine learning workflow. So it's time to end a quick walkthrough to understand the machine learning workflow. Keeping up for the next video about geothermal in Jiwa system. See you in another video.